Welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponents. In this video, we will be focusing on the problem 5 raised to the power of 2. We will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this expression. Let's get started. To simplify the integer exponent problem 5 to the power of 2, we need to understand what this notation means. The expression 5 raised to the power of 2 is written as the number 5 with a small 2 positioned slightly higher and to the right of the 5. This means we are raising 5 to the second power, which is also known as squaring the number 5. When we square a number, we multiply the number by itself. Therefore, 5 to the power of 2 means 5 times 5. In mathematical terms, we are transforming the expression 5 raised to the second power into an equivalent multiplication problem. So 5 to the power of 2 becomes 5 multiplied by 5. This is our first step in simplifying the expression. We have now rephrased the problem from an exponent form into a multiplication form, which makes it easier to understand and solve. The next step will be to perform the multiplication operation to obtain the final simplified result. The next step in solving the problem is to actually perform the multiplication that we set up in the first step. Remember, we transformed 5 to the power of 2 into the multiplication problem of 5 multiplied by 5. Now we need to carry out that multiplication. When you multiply 5 by 5, you simply add the number 5 to itself 5 times. Let me break this down for you. You start with the number 5, then you add another 5, which gives you 10. Add another 5 to 10, and you get 15. Add another 5 to 15, and you get 20. Finally, add another 5 to 20, and you get 25. So when you multiply 5 by 5, the result is 25. This means that 5 to the power of 2 simplifies to the number 25. Since 25 is already in its simplest form, we have now completed the process of simplifying the expression. To recap, 5 to the power of 2 means multiplying 5 by itself. Performing this multiplication gives us 25. Thus, the simplified result of the expression 5 to the power of 2 is 25. This is the final step, and the expression is now fully simplified. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.